Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see about the compute engine. What is compute engine? What are the machine types of compute engine? How to use the compute engine? Benefits of compute engine? Cost to compute engine? Preemptible instances? Finally, we are going to see use cases of compute engine. What is a compute engine? Compute engine, it accelerates your digital transformation with high performance virtual machines. Google compute engine lets you create and run virtual machines on Google infrastructure. Compute engine offers scale, performance and value that allows us to easily launch large compute clusters on Google's infrastructure. There are no upfront investments, and you can run thousands of virtual CPUs on a system that has been designed to be fast and to offer strong consistency of performance. You can run your Windows applications on Compute Engine and take advantages of many benefits available to virtual machine instances such as reliable storage options, the speed of the Google network and auto scaling. So what is a compute engine? Compute engine, it is a customizable virtual machine in Google Cloud. We are going to see about the machine types. We have two types of machine types, custom and predefined machine types. Custom, we can select the virtual CPUs and memory as per our workloads, and we have the predefined machine types, that is example N1 standard 4. Here we 4 virtual CPUs and 15 GB memory, so it is predefined machine types. Then we are going to see about the machine types family. So what are the machine types family? We are going to see here. We have the general purpose, compute optimized and memory optimized. There are three types of machine types family. So what is a machine type? A machine type, it is a set of virtualized hardware resources available to virtual machine instances, including the system, memory size, virtual CPU count, persistent disk limits. In compute engine, machine types are grouped and curated by families for different workloads. We can choose from general purpose, memory optimized and compute optimized families. Now we are going to see about the general purpose. So why we are using this, how to use, when we have to use this general purpose. So it is for general workloads like web server and databases, use cases like websites and databases. If you are not sure to how which mission type we have to choose, then you can go with general purpose. If you are not sure, then you can select this general purpose mission type. So next one is compute optimized. Compute, it is for compute intensive applications such as high performance computing, gaming, electronic design, automation and single threaded applications. So you can select compute optimized for these things. And next one is finally memory optimized. If we have a memory intensive workloads such as memory databases, SAP HANA or real time analytics, use memory optimized instances. And you can add graphical processing units to accelerate computationally intensive workloads like machine learning or medical analytics. This memory optimized, it is for large in memory databases, example SAP HANA, and in memory analytics and GPU, general processing unit. You can go with memory optimized. So what are the machine types? We have here, I have given in detail. Each machine type family includes different machine types. Each family is created by specific workload types. The following primary machine types are offered on compute engine. So here we have general purpose machine types. So I have already told. So I am giving some explanation, some detail I have given in this slide. So you can refer this slide later. I will give this slide in the description. So general purpose machine types offer the best price performance ratio for a variety of workloads. E2 machine types are cost optimized VMs that offer up to 32 virtual CPUs and up to 128 GB of memory with a maximum of 8 GB per virtual CPU. Then second one is memory optimized machine type, are ideal for memory intensive workloads because they offer more memory per core than other machine types with up to 12 terabyte of memory. Then we have third one, compute optimized machine types offer the highest performance per core on compute engine and are optimized for compute intensive workloads. Then next one is accelerator optimized machine types are ideal for massively parallelized CDUA computer workloads such as machine learning and high performance computing. Then finally, shared core machine types are available in E2 and N1 families. These machine types times share a physical core. This can be a cost effective method for running small, non resource intensive applications. Here we have given E2 and N1, you can refer it later. So machine types, we have general purpose machine type, custom machine type, compute optimized machine type, memory optimized machine type, accelerator optimized machine type, shared core machine types, GPUs and machine types. So these are the machine types. So next we are going to see how to use compute engine. We have to select the type of machine and where you want it, and that instance gets created for your use in that specific location. So how to use compute engine? Select the type of machine and where you want it, and that instance gets created for your use in that specific location. So then we will go with the next one is the benefits of compute engine. So first benefit, it allows live migrations, keeps applications running during maintenance without interruption. Then second one is it provides sizing recommendation, right size recommendation. It suggests resizing for efficiency and cost. Then third one, container support. It supports the deployment of containers. Then we are going to see. Now we are going to see cost to the compute engine. What does it cost to compute engine? You pay for what you use. We have few discounts. First one is a sustained use savings. Sustained use savings, automatic discounts for running VMs significant portion of the month. So this is sustained use discount. Second one is a committed use discount, up to 57% savings, no upfront cost. So example, I could say if you are using this compute engine per year, more than 1 year, then you can select this committed use discount. Then they will give 57% discount. We can get it up to 57% savings, no upfront cost. Then finally we have the preemptible VMs. This is up to 80% savings on batch jobs and fault tolerant workloads. Then finally we are going to see what is a preemptible instance mean. So preemptible instances, it means a preemptible VM is an instance that you can create and run at a much lower price than normal instances. However, compute engine might stop or preempt these instances if it requires access to those resources for other tasks. So that is known as the preemptible instances. So I have given the limitation of the instances, preemptible instance limitations. So I have highlighted few points here. Preemptible instances function like normal instances but have the following limitations. Compute engine might stop preemptible instances at any time due to the system events. The probability of compute engine will stop a preemptible instance for a system event is generally low, but might vary from day to day and from zone to zone depending on current conditions. This is an important point. Compute engine always stops preemptible instances after they run for 24 hours. Certain actions reset their 24-hour counter. The next point, preemptible instances are finite compute engine resources, so they might not always be available. Then third, preemptible instances cannot live migrate to a regular VM instance or be set to automatically restart when there is a maintenance event. Then finally, the Google Cloud free tier credits for compute engine don't apply to preemptible instances. Then we are going to see the use cases of the compute engine. Use cases, we are going to see the use cases of the compute engine. So what are the use cases of compute engine? So compute engine use cases, migrating existing applications or systems from another cloud or data center, or even run Windows application bringing your own licenses or using the included license images. So these are the use cases of the compute engine. Thanks a lot, friends. We have done with compute engine concepts and preemptible concepts also we have seen in this video. So in our upcoming video we will see the compute engine demo. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot friends. Have a great day.